Welcome to Xero for Power BI. This is a quick introduction to the capabilities of this app. This is the pre-production release against our test database. Here we have the executive summary report, which is a reproduction of the report in Xero. Now we'll move on to the balance sheet. These reports are all structured so that they're easily usable in Excel, either by Analyze in Excel or by connecting up to the dataset itself in Excel, which I will demonstrate in another video. Here is profit and loss. Again, fairly simple. This is just the current month. Here we have the P&L with budget, which is slightly more complex. That's a full financial year budget and variance report. Again, fully exportable and embeddable. We can expand here to see what's happening. Let's just look at a P&L monthly report. This just gives you the current and the previous 3 months. The balance sheet report is the same as the balance sheet, but it has a little indent. This is designed to be print friendly, but it's the same data. Here's the trial balance. Trial balance has got a drill through on it, so you can drill through and see what's going on behind the scenes here and see what your balances are all about. Accounts receivable gives you some drill through. You can have a look at exactly what's happening with your accounts receivable and you can drill through here. Let's right click and drill through and we have all the invoices for that customer. Sales margin is against item costs. This is a different sort of budget. If you have costs associated with your sales items, this is what you can use. Here we have accounts receivable. This is designed for export. It is a table format for ease of use. This is the invoice report. There is a filter off to the side here, so you can filter on dates and other fields. These are some executive charts which are used in the dashboard. This is an explainer of what Xero for Power BI is all about. And of course, you can download the app and edit it yourself. This makes Xero data very open and accessible. We'll leave it there for now. Thank you for listening.